There it is. Home, at last.
Wheels love this downhill run. Hold on tight.
I can almost smell the soup pot from here.
You'll have it simmering in no time, Tia.
And we brought a full haul. The village is going to eat well tonight.
Let the leaves guide us the rest of the way.
Drapes itself like silk today. The world hums along.
We made it up the ridge.
Ha! And still ahead of schedule.
Worth slowing for, don't you think? Take a breath, team. This is what we climb for.
Look at that forest, folded up like a green quilt.
And a sky simmering like peach.
Hum drifts in like a soft song.
Gate's just ahead. Once we're through, we're home.
I've been picturing this stretch all week. Sun on my whiskers, wheels on the dirt. Can't beat it.
I can already smell the ovens. I'll trade the first loaf for a smile.
Save one for the council, Tia. They'll want to taste after the meeting.
Plenty to go around.